This video is sponsored by OWC. Also, before we start this video on the new iPhone SE, if you're interested in picking up a Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro, Apple actually threw us a curveball right before the iPhone SE announcement and made them available to order right now, with those shipments going out next week. After nearly 4 years, Apple has finally unveiled its long-rumored low-cost iPhone, the 2020 iPhone SE. If that name sounds familiar, that's because it shares the same name as the original SE that was released back in 2016. Now, if you're thinking that the new 2020 iPhone SE looks familiar, well, that's because it shares nearly an identical design to the 2017 iPhone 8. The new iPhone SE includes a 4.7-inch LCD display, thick top and bottom bezels with the inclusion of the Touch ID home button for biometric authentication, and a single lens camera system on the back. The iPhone SE does include the A13 Bionic chip, which is the same chipset found in the latest iPhone 11 and 11 Pro models, and Apple has claimed that the A13 Bionic chip is the fastest chip in a smartphone ever, which is perfect for photography, gaming, and augmented reality. The A13 will also help power the single camera system that will feature a 12-megapixel f1.8 aperture wide-angle lens and will use image signal processing with the help of that chip for better computational photography, according to Apple. This means you'll see portrait modes on the new iPhone SE, but you won't see the inclusion of something like night mode. However, the rear camera is also capable of taking 4K 60 frames per second video, which is excellent news. The iPhone SE starts at $399 for the 64GB model and comes in 3 colors: white, black, and product red. The iPhone will be available for pre-order at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 5 a.m. Pacific this Friday, April 17th at apple.com, and will arrive to customers and select carriers the following week. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our coverage and our hands-on videos on the new 2020 iPhone SE, and stay locked into MacRumors.com for more information. Also, before we end today's video, I do want to give you more information about today's sponsor, OWC. OWC offers a wide range of products for your Mac, like internal hard drives and SSDs, memory, Thunderbolt 3 docks, etc. With a lot of us working from home these days, OWC has the perfect tools to help maximize your work from home setups, like the Thunderbolt 3 docks for charging your Mac, and adding options to plug in all of your peripherals and accessories, lightning-fast SSD external drives like the Envoy Pro EX, and one of my favorite personal devices, the USB-C travel dock. Even though we won't be doing a lot of traveling these days, you can make your setup much more portable throughout your house with this 5-port dock that plugs directly into your Mac. And it also expands your setups in more ways than ever before. So visit the link in the description down below for more info regarding any of these products and to see everything else that OWC has to offer. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.